Hi and welcome to my channel. My name's Emily, the Petite Beauty Vlogger, and in today's video I'll be doing a rainbow smoky look. Hello everyone, so if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, then welcome back. I am very grateful for you for tuning in today. For today's look I will be creating this fun eye look here, a nice black smoky winged out look with rainbows, because of course rainbows are everything and I really love rainbow looks. If you've been on this channel before, you know full well I love rainbow looks and I've probably done them to the death. But I need a bit of sun and brightness in my life at the moment, so this will be perfect. Now today's video will be a bit different than my normal videos because this one's going to be a bit more of a short where I'm just going to be creating the eye look. I'm going to trial the short kind of videos and see how people like them, because I did do a poll quite a while ago on my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram down here on whether people preferred longer videos or shorter videos, and it was actually kind of in the middle, so I'm going to trial both. And at the moment I don't have a lot of time to do things. I'm busy, hence why I haven't been putting out as many videos. So I'm trying to fit in my makeup videos in between my hectic schedule at the moment. So we're going to see if it works, and if you like it, please comment down below, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please hit the notification bell down below so you're notified on when new videos come out. So shall we get started? Okay, so the first product I'm going in with is my P. Louise primer base, and this is in Rumour 0. This is my favourite. It's just sticky and it's so good for making colours pop. So what I'm going to do is from now on I am going to move in and I will voice over it because it just makes it a hell of a lot easier. The first thing I'm going to do is apply a primer, and you can apply this using a sponge, your finger or a brush. And the makeup palette I will be using today is the Morphe Colour Burst palette, because it is great if you want every colour under the spectrum in one eyeshadow palette. Now going through the whole colour spectrum and the colour wheel, I'm just going to do my rainbow colours, and I've got this really nice kind of blendy brush that's also very detailed for doing spots and blending out, and I'm literally just going to be packing on the colours. Obviously I've done my pinks, my reds, my oranges, and it's just going to fan out in a rainbow. And then once I've got all those colours packed on and blended into each other, I am then going to blend them out. Now I've done my winged out top liner, I'm literally just going to be following the same colours and the order, and I'm literally just going to be doing underneath my eye and then connecting it up into the corner. And now I'll be taking the black just to create that massive smoky eye look. So I'm going to take this lovely big fluffy blending brush, and I'm literally just going to be stamping on the colour where I want it to go, and then I will be blending it out. Now a tip for this is probably when you're doing smoky eyes like this using a nice thick dark black, normally I would do the eye first and then do my skin later, but today I had to be somewhere so I couldn't, so I had to be dealt with the cards I had. But that's just a warning, because this is a very pigmented colour. You will get fallout and it will mess up your concealer like it did with mine. So I'm learning from experiences, and that's how life works. I'm not going to take the black all the way up because I want that rainbow to peek through, but I am going to wing it out just to create that gorgeous kind of winged look, which I've been seeing a lot recently in editorials and Instagrammers, and I just happen to really like it. Now I've packed the black onto where I want it, I'm going to use short scratchy motions just to blend it out. Now using a very thin detailed brush, this is the Morphe E37. I'm going to take that black and just do a line all underneath and connecting it all the way around. Okay, so I've completed both eyes, and now I'm just going to apply a lash. Okay, so there are the eyes absolutely completed, and I love them. I never really do smoky eyes, I don't really do black because it's just not really me, but I think this looks so badass. Now this is actually created for a look that I'm doing on my TikTok, so please make sure you are following my TikTok. I'll put the my handle here, and yeah, go watch the video straight after here. So to finish off this look completely and to make my look more gothic and cool, I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Alien, and I'm going to move in and get started. Okay, and there is the lip completed. This is the most badass I think I've ever looked. I don't usually look that intense, but I am living. It's so completely different to looks I normally do, and I'm obsessed. And I've never actually had a black lip before, I don't think. I have to go through the history of my makeup looks, but I am living. I think it looks so cool. And just to set it, to make it all nice, I'm going to use my NYX setting spray. It's one of my favourites. And there you have it. There is the completed look, and I am obsessed with it. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you enjoyed the new style of video with the shorts. Comment down below your feedback, whether you prefer short or longer videos. I haven't got a lot of time at the moment, so doing shorter videos is easier for me at the moment, and then I will probably most definitely go back to doing longer videos. But if you like any shorter videos, then please do tell me. And yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a bit different, and I want to see if you would try this look, and if you do, please tag me so I can have a look and see what it looks like, because that would really excite me. And thank you for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed and you hit the notification bell down below so you're notified of when new videos come out. Make sure you're following my Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger, because I also put on there when new videos come out, and you can see the photos for these looks, which I love doing. You can also like my Facebook page, facebook.com/MUA by Emily, and my website is linked down below as well. So please check out that. It's got my portfolio, it's got everything in it, because I am officially allowed to go back to makeup artistry, which I'm very excited about. So please make sure you do check that out, and I hope to see you in the next video.